Sometimes eating food like this made me forget that I even doing keto, because literally how this tastes so good. And like, good morning guys, Deja here with another video. Today's video is gonna be a keto full day of eating, but this is gonna be like a lazy keto full day of eating. So I'm gonna show you guys, like, when I'm not able to cook food at home, this is what I eat and I still stay on keto. A lot of people say it's really hard to do keto because they can't cook, they don't have time to cook, they eat out a lot. And I'm like, you can still lose weight on keto and eat out. You just can't eat the fries. You know, you can't eat pasta, but you can still go to these restaurants and order stuff that is keto friendly and still lose weight. So the first stop of the day is Starbucks. So I did drink coffee in the morning, but honestly, like, usually I would still stop at Starbucks to get a coffee. I don't know, I'm just kind of addicted to Starbucks. Today I got the iced coffee cold brew, no, not cold brew, the iced cold foam. So the cold foam doesn't have any sweetener in it. It's just pretty much just low fat milk that's made into a foam. And I got a couple shots of sugar-free cinnamon dolce. So I was trying to stay fasted, and I usually would get the nitro cold brew, because the nitro cold brew is very, very smooth to the point where you don't even need any creamer in it, but they didn't have any. So I just got the cold foam. So I'm pretty much, I mean, it's probably not that many calories in this little bit of foam, but hey, I was trying to stay fasted, but whatever, it's all good. When I'm fasted, I don't really get heavy cream, but if I'm not fasted, I would get a heavy cream, or the cold foam, or, you know, half and half. I don't use a whole lot of half and half, because half and half does have carbs in it. I usually just stick to heavy cream. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm actually on my way to the gym to train a few clients, and then I'm going to have my first meal of the day before I work out. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so I'm about to have like my first meal of the day. I guess you could say it's a meal, but in here I have keto meal. Okay, so keto meal is like a keto meal replacement. I'll go ahead and put the picture of the whatever it is right here so you guys see what it is. But it's like a keto meal replacement. It has protein, fat, and carbs, but it has the keto macro. So it's 75% fat, 20% protein, 5% carbs per scoop. So you know you're getting like the regular proper keto macro. So this is about a scoop and a half that I'm about to eat right now, and then I'm going to work out. Today's a leg day, that's why I didn't want to work out fasted, because I'm about to do like a heavy leg day. So I'm about to drink this and then get to my workout. All right guys, I am done at the gym. I trained some clients, and then I did a leg workout. Did a really heavy leg workout. So now I am starving. So as you know, today I am doing lazy keto. So for my next meal, I'm going to go to Five Guys and get a burger. But if you guys don't know, you can actually go to Five Guys and get a burger and get it lettuce wrapped instead of bread. Now, to some people who aren't keto, that probably sounds nasty, but it actually tastes real good. It kind of tastes like a burger salad. So let's go ahead and get this burger, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Oh, and real quick, so probably after my burger, I'm gonna eat this, because usually I have to have like something sweet after I eat. So I'll probably eat half of this. So these are the Quest protein cookies, and as you can see, it only has 1 gram of sugar, and I think it only has like maybe 3 net carbs. Let's see. So it's only 5 net carbs per cookie. So the whole cookie is only 5 carbs. So I'm gonna eat 1/2 probably with my burger, and then another half later. So all in all, it's probably like an extra like 2.5 carbs with the burger that I'm gonna eat. So not too bad. It shouldn't knock you out of ketosis. I eat these all the time, guys, and it doesn't knock me out of ketosis, so should be good to go. I eat these all the time, guys. These are about, I want to say it's like $2.50 or something like that at like Vitamin Shop. These are really good. Like if you do crave cookies, these will help with the craving. Now, full disclosure, it doesn't taste exactly like a cookie. It looks like a cookie, and you know, it has chocolate chips and everything like that, but you're not gonna get that same Like, it's chewy, but it's not that same chewy texture you get like in a really good gooey chocolate chip cookie. But if you're on keto, it's gonna get the job done, I promise. Okay, I am home with my burger. So let's see what we got. So as you can see, it is lettuce wrapped. Let me give you guys a closer look. So this is the burger here. As you can see, it is lettuce wrapped. And they have the bacon under here somewhere, but they got the bacon on the bottom. I don't know why, but we got bacon, green peppers, onions, and everything on the bottom. And you just pretty much eat it like a regular burger, but the lettuce is the bread. You can say you want it lettuce wrapped, or you can get it in a bowl with lettuce and without the bread. So in the bowl, it kind of looks like a salad. They have the lettuce and then the meat and everything, so you can kind of chop it up and make it look like a salad. All right, guys, here we go. Oh my God. It is so good. Look at that. Just like a burger. Juicy. You got the bacon in there. Sometimes eating food like this made me forget that I even doing keto, because literally has this taste so good. And like, the longer you're on keto, the less you actually crave things like bread and things like that. Like, sometimes, you know, I'll see a cookie or, you know, a cinnamon bun, and I'm like, oh man, it looks good, but I don't have that urge anymore. Like, when I used to eat a lot of carbs, if I walked past a cookie sheet of cookies, I didn't have any willpower, you know. But now I don't even really like crave it anymore. It's like, it's there, you know, it probably tastes good, but I'm not like, oh my God, I have to have that cookie, you know, because your body just, eventually you just stop craving the sugar, because your body just get used to not having it, and then your body starts to utilize its own fat as energy, so you don't have those crazy cravings. Your insulin isn't spiking up and down, so you're not having those really cravings. I'm gonna finish my burger, and I'll hit you guys up later when I eat my next meal. So it's about 8 o'clock at night. I just been home doing some work. I haven't really left my house since I ate the burger, but today I just don't feel like cooking. I just don't like. So I ordered some wings. So let me show you what I ordered. So if you don't know, naked fried chicken is actually keto. So yes, you can eat fried chicken on keto. These lemon pepper wings are so good. I order from this place all the time, and it's so good. And ranch is also keto. All right, guys, so I'm gonna enjoy my food. This is gonna be my last meal of the day. And I might make me a little keto cocktail to kind of end the night, kind of, you know, relax and take the edge off a little bit of a busy day. The keto margarita is just tequila, lime juice. You can put a little bit of sparkling water in there and some stevia and some ice. Boom, keto margarita. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video if you like this kind of content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.